Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of unlinking your Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. This can be a little confusing since you won't find the option in your settings, so I'll walk you through the correct way step by step. First, head over to rockstargames.com and log in with your Social Club account. Once you're logged in, go to the very top of the page and click on Support. In the Support section, look for the option at the top right that says Submit a Request. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can choose the type of issue you need help with. Now scroll down and select Account as your category. Under Account Options, choose Account Settings, and then select Linking and Unlinking Accounts. This section will show some information, but what you really want is the option to submit a ticket. Here you'll need to provide details about your request. In the description box, simply write that you need help unlinking your Epic Games account from your social club. Be clear and direct so the support team knows exactly what you're asking. To help verify your account, it's a good idea to attach a screenshot. Open Epic Games at store.epicgames.com, sign in, click your profile at the top right, and go to Account. From here, take a screenshot of your profile page, then upload that screenshot back into your Rockstar support ticket. Once you've filled everything out and attached your file, click Submit Ticket. The request will go directly to Rockstar support team. After that, you just need to wait. They'll get back to you by email using the address linked to your social club account. And that's the proper way to unlink your Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. Remember, it can only be done through support, not in your regular settings. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.